Hi, I'm Amy with craftcuts.com, and today I'm going to show you how to paint our foam letters. You can order your foam letters painted, or it's easy to paint them yourself. I'm going to show you how to get the best results. First, let's talk about the materials you'll need. Latex paint color, latex primer color, a foam paintbrush, a paper plate or paint tray, and some protective paper. Okay, let's paint. I have my workspace covered, I've got my foam letter, and I'm going to cover the entire letter first using my latex primer. This will just ensure that I get a truly opaque coverage with my outer color, and it will also fill in any pock marks in the foam. Be sure to focus on the edges first to ensure even coverage. You'll start by using the foam brush and latex primer paint to carefully cover just the edges of your letters. Then move to the face of the letters. You're going to apply one coat of your base primer. This step is optional, but we highly suggest it. Now move to your outer color. Using a foam brush again, paint the sides first and then the face. We suggest applying 2 to 3 even coats of this color to get full coverage on your foam letter. We did it! Look how beautiful and professional looking. Remember, latex paint and foam brushes are really the best option. Please don't use spray paint, because unfortunately, it'll melt your foam letters. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on how to paint foam letters. I hope these tips were helpful, and as always, our customer service team is here to help if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Bye.